Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. A while back I bought this 1/4 inch drive snap-on power ratchet. The model number is CTR2512. Comes with a CTB2512 NiCad battery. They advertised this on an auction saying it had a bad battery. Can't get this anymore from Snap-on. I believe this unit is about 20 years old. So today I'm gonna rebuild the battery with a battery that I bought off of eBay, and we'll show everybody what we got. So stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. I'm gonna start out with this old battery off of here. The guy kind of gave me instructions how to replace this. Seemed pretty simple. Looks like there's 4 screws. Hold it in. Here's the battery I bought off of eBay. This was like $50. It's the cheapest one I could find. Other guys are selling it for $55. Some guys are having you send this battery in, and you pay for shipping like both ways, and it's $60 and they do it for you. But it seemed like a pretty simple deal. So it's like a Torx. Oh, that's a T6. I think the guy said it's a T9. It's a T9. Give it a shot here. Yeah, so I got this, like I said, for $10. There's a special adapter for this battery that you have to put into your battery charger. It's a 12-volt system. I think the newer ones now are probably like 18 volts. But imagine back in the day, this ratchet probably cost $300 to $400, maybe even more, I don't know. Snap-on. It's got 3 terminals coming out the end there. Okay, take a look at it. The battery looks the same. Let's hold it in here. I guess she just comes out like that. That looks like it all goes in pretty easy. So got all 4 screws there. Looks like the tricky part here, getting this back together. Obviously something's not lined up in there. It does look like it's all the way down. Get the screws out of there. It's gonna snap together this time. Looks like it's in the right spot now. This looks like it's probably the original battery that was in there. I'm guessing this has a date on here, I believe. I don't know if the date is gone, but it looked like it said March of '03. So, it'd be a 20-year-old battery. Okay, the moment of truth. Look, everything fits on there, right? Works both ways. Once again, guys, it's a snap-on CTR2512 quarter-inch drive with a freshly rebuilt CTB2512 battery. Till next time, guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Have a great week.